What's up, relatives? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Dotty, aka Princess D, aka Boss Babe. And yes, we have our bad bitch nails back, and my bra is showing. And so I wanted to come on here. I haven't been vlogging, I haven't posted. I know, guilty as charged. But I want to welcome 2022, and before I do welcome 2022 on here on this platform, the YouTube channel or the YouTube platform that is, I want to recap 2021, things that I did vlog but never posted. Actually, it was towards the end, like actually the whole of December, and I will also catch beginning of January, and then we can move on from there. So let me just show you clips of everything I have done from then, and then we can chit chat after that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Dotty, aka Princess D, aka Boss Babe. So in our last endeavors, we lost our bad bitch nails, but we're going to fix that in a while. Hi guys, so today is on a Friday. The last time we talked, I was heading to hospital, and I'm okay. I just had eczema, and what? They have actually cleared out. I lost my face, and this is because I've been having a series of like events that I didn't get a chance to vlog, but guess what?
She doesn't want to go into denial because that's what we leaving everything she has ever known or more important.
Sick.
We have accommodations at the Diani Hadida private home.
Nobody stop my enjoyment. Sasa leo tunaenda beach vibe. Hello. No. Go then. Mimi ni mambo honestly. Like I can't even go to the beach because I'm trying to get on there.
Oh, by the way, guys, happy New Year. It's fucking 2022, and we want to do great things. Today is on the 8th of January, and it's my brother's birthday, so happy birthday, Norbert. I love you. Right now, it's quite late, but I have to go and make my hair. You see, this mess up here, I just want to do and make it, and then done for the day. Excited for this new year, and I feel like it has a lot in store for us, for me, and we just going with the flow and going with the vibe, accepting things that we can't control, and just living in the moment and being happy every step of the way. You know, to meet my cousins actually, and we can go to the bathroom. What's up? Well, hi, say hi to to my YouTube channel. Then I fire.
Hey, what you want to see us happening right now?
So baby, chicken you out to dinner. Jimmy ako slow. Jimmy ako slow. Kile hapa. Turn it. Hizi unalipia different.
To the pool one.
Tucheze bowling kwanza. Bowling kwanza juu ishalipiwa.
We will still be high when the lights out.
Somebody loves you. I accept. You may lose. Hi relatives, I just wanted to come and close off this video because it's actually gone on for too long, and I'm hoping that this year will be bigger and better. And I just want to tell you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're new here, and click that notification button, if the bell, if you actually like this vlog and you have come this far. So yeah, and as I always say, don't forget to be kind to one another because kindness is the thing. Bye.